Welcome to this approximately 5-minute tutorial video for Blueflow Onboard. First of all, why has Blueflow been installed on board? In short, it's about keeping up with developments and making work easier, both on board and ashore. Reporting requirements are constantly increasing, and today shipping companies must provide more data to authorities than ever before. With Blueflow, this information is collected automatically, reducing the need for manual reporting by the crew. At the same time, the system provides a better overview of operations and energy use, allowing both the crew and the office ashore to make better decisions. The goal is not to create more work, but rather to simplify processes, reduce administration, and ensure that the company meets all requirements efficiently. This benefits both you on board and the company as a whole in the long run. Blueflow Onboard is our collective name for the various tools on your vessel. It is part of the Blueflow Energy Management System and is used as a tool on the bridge during vessel operations. The system provides a clear overview of the vessel's energy use and key operational parameters in real time. In this tutorial, we will go through the Eco Drive view, where you can monitor energy consumption and power on board. The aim is to provide a better understanding of how energy is used during operation. Let's start. This is the Eco Drive view in Blueflow Onboard. Here the vessel's energy use and key operational data are presented in real time. In the center, the performance dial, a combined gauge, displays both speed and energy consumption. The outer scale shows speed in knots, while the inner scale shows energy consumption in kilowatt-hours or liters per nautical mile. On the right, the current power consumption is shown in kilowatts or liters per hour. Each propulsion motor is represented by its own bar, making it easy to see the load distribution. At the bottom, the display works like a trip computer. It summarizes values over time. From left to right, the trip computer shows average consumption, accumulated energy, average speed, distance traveled, and average economy. These values are updated continuously during operation and can be reset to start a new measurement period. This view provides a clear and continuous overview of how energy is used on board. Thank you for your time and attention. We hope this walkthrough has given you a clear understanding of how to use Blueflow Onboard effectively. By applying these tools and insights in daily operations, you play an important role in improving efficiency and reducing energy consumption. We wish you the best of luck in your continued energy-saving efforts. If you have any questions or concerns, give us a call at +40 6854 021 680 or email us at support@blueflow.se.